Okay, so this is a video of the Vixen XD mount that's converted to OnStep. There's a previous video describing all the parts, but I just wanted to show you the slewing on it. So what I will do is that, so this scope is now at home, so it's waiting for an align command, but instead of doing that, I'll just start tracking. Okay, so hopefully you can see this. No, you're seeing my face here. But anyways, okay, sorry about that, but let's do the tracking and then start. Okay, so tracking has started here, and if you can see here the tracking rate, but I'll switch it to lunar. Okay, and you see that the tracking rate has changed, and I'll go and do solar system and then our moon, and then go to, and the slewing rate here is basically 2.2. It's actually more than that because I'm using mode switching, which is a micro steps. Slewing is different than micro steps when tracking. So you can see that it's slewing here, and if we're lucky, and so the clouds moved over, but we'll see if you can still see the moon. Now I haven't done any alignment. This is a way to move the scope when it's not aligned. Just start tracking, and then you're done. Okay, so then it will beep at us, and at that point it should be pointing to wherever we want it. Let us see. Okay, so we'll so let us increase the okay, so now I need to go to the tablet and move things a bit to see if we can see the moon. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just carry the tablet next to me here, and hopefully okay, the clouds made it over, so no more moon. Can't see them rolling by. I can see the moon with my eye, but I can't see the clouds. Anyway, so just wanted to show you the slewing, and that you can move an on-step mount without the need to align. Of course you do this and knowing that you're not aligned. Okay, bye.